Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kaylee Blair for those who are new here. And if you're watching me for the first time, kindly subscribe and join the family. If you're coming for another time, thanks for always watching my videos. Thanks for supporting me. I know it's been a while since I posted a video and I apologize for not being consistent. I really apologize. But the good news is that I'm back. I'm back like I never left. So yeah, I'll try and be consistent. So on today's vlog, I'll be doing something different. I'm going to be doing my first DIY. For those who don't know what DIY means, it means do it yourself. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to install wallpapers. I'm going to be showing you everything from start till the end, like what tools you're going to need, how to mix the glue, how to measure the wall, how to start installing the wallpaper from the start till the end. And if you follow the steps accordingly from the beginning to the end, everything should turn out perfectly. So first you're going to need a tape measure, a piece of cloth, a bucket, a paper cutter, a brush, the wallpapers that you'll be using, and the wallpaper glue. Mix the glue with water and stir in a circular motion for a minute or two. And while stirring, you'll be able to estimate the amount of glue paste needed. Don't let it be so thick, the glue just needs to be sticky. Please note that it's also important to ensure there are no lumps left in the mixture. Before installing the wallpaper, it's always important to ensure that your wall is clean, so wipe off any dust that may be appearing on your wall before you install the wallpaper. Using the tape measure, measure the height of your wall and the same height to your wallpaper. When measuring the length of the wallpaper strips, be sure to allow a minimum of 2 inches at the top and bottom for you to trim at the end. You will later see why this is important.
Out of your mouth, you wish you were someone else. I miss you, but I know you miss your old self too. Silver once golden. There's only so much holding on. You can take when your mind's at stake. Oh wait, do what you gotta do, what you gotta do to be you again. Do what you gotta do, what you gotta do to put your heart to rest. I'll keep waiting as long as it takes. Do what you gotta do, what you gotta do to be you again.
Please note that one piece has to complete the other piece. As you can see, there is some extra wallpaper left at the top because the wallpapers have to align. There has to be a connection between each wallpaper piece.
Waiting, there's only so much hoping that I can't do what I'd rather lose than lose you. Do what you gotta do, what you gotta do to be you again. Do what you gotta do, what you gotta do to put your heart to rest. I'll keep waiting as long as it takes. Do what you gotta do, what you gotta do to be you again.
Looking at it, I'm sure you can't see the connection or spaces in between the wallpapers. It's actually hard to know where we attach them from. Also, the bricks are matching to the correct pattern. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you've learned something from it. Also, kindly subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up.